Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2010 Triumph Tiger 1050. This is the special edition model with the saddlebags and the top case. It's got hand guards, ABS brakes, and this powerful but smooth, torquey 1050cc triple engine, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This sport tourer just arrived with only 7,300 miles on the odometer. Beautiful condition. Come on by and make your Tiger dreams come true with this gorgeous 2010 for only $59.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.